Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Destiny Child Kitchen Review. Please click the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. Thanks. God bless. Guys, I will be showing you how I make my akamu stroke agidi. So now here is my corn. I've soaked it for 3 to 4 days. You can soak it for 3 to 4 days. Then now I'm going to be washing it. I will sieve the water out of it. I'll be sieving the water, placing another one. Then I will wash. This is dried corn. They use dried corn for akamu. Dried corn. Then you will parboil water. You put hot water on it, boiled water on it. Leave it to soak for 3 to 4 days. After the 4th day or the 3rd day, you wash it. Then you blend it. I will sieve out the water. I will repeat the same process. I'm using the yellow corn. I'm using the yellow corn. You can use the yellow one, you can use the white one, but most especially people use the white one. But me, I'm using the yellow one. It's the yellow one that I have. I'm using the yellow one. Stay tuned. I will wash it like 4 times before blending it. The reason why I'm washing it 4 times is because we have soaked it for 3-4 days. So because of the odor, so you have to wash it. You have to wash it 4 or 3 times, so that the odor will not we will not perceive the odor while eating it. Okay, now we have washed it, we have cleaned it, see? So we are going to be blending it now. Blending it, then we'll turn it inside this bone. Add water. Now we have blended it, you see, we'll be turning it inside this bone. We will repeat the same process until we finish blending everything. Now we just finished blending our corn. So this is the hard corn. When I finish blending it, you see. Okay, now this is my chiffon. I will be placing it in the bucket. Then we tie it tie it very well so that it will not lose. So turn it. Now we are putting, you can put water inside the bucket if you like. You can put water inside the bucket before you put the corn. You can still you can be putting it and be adding water to it to filter it. Okay, so I will be showing you guys how I prefer doing my own. I'm supposed to put water in the bowl. See, this is how to filter it. We have filtered it. This is the shaft. You see the shaft? This shaft now is for goats and chicken and pigeon. See it? So this is the shaft. We'll be taking out the shaft. You press it, take out the water. Take out the water. Remove the shaft. Place it in a bowl. You can throw it away. If you have chicken, you have goat, you have any one of those three, you use it to feed them. So I will be repeating the same process until we finish all. The same process. The same process. Now I'm done. This is the end of the road. I'm finished. I have already done with filtering the corn. Now I'm going to be removing the chiffon which we used to filter the corn. So you can see we have it all here. So I'm going to close it to the next day. In the morning I'm going to remove the water. Then we will see the outcome. We will see the akamu inside, which is the akamu inside, echo in my dialect. Later, akamu. So we have leave it for the next day. I'm going to be removing the water. You can see the pap is inside. See the pap inside. So now I will be cutting the pap inside a bowl. For agidi. So the remaining one, later I will place it and put it in the fridge. But I place it on the gas. I will be putting water. The water is already boiled already. It's boiled already. So I've boiled water already. That will not take a long time. Placing another one, boiling another one in case if I need. So now here is my pap. I close it to boil. Here is my leaf. Here is my leaf. I've cleaned it. I will be showing you guys how I clean it. It's like this. Then you dry it. Don't allow water to stay inside. You dry it. That is my leaf I'm using. This is the leaf I'm using. It's rice leaf. Ebieba, you know as ebieba. Rice leaf. We have two types of leaf. The one for agidi, the one for rice. So I will be putting water, adding water to mix it. Just little. Take it light a little. Here is my water. My water is wet. So now we are turning the pap inside the pot. Because it's a gas, so if it was a native fire now, this is how they. Okay, here is our outcome of agidi. So we'll be tying it now. I didn't put salt. This one, the one I make now, is Yoruba agidi. It's not Benin agidi, the one they put salt. So we'll be placing it on the leaf. See it. Stir it like this. Understand? So we are tying it, and you don't remove it from the fire when tying it. This is how you leave it. You reduce the heat of the gas, the fire of the gas. You reduce it. Then when you reduce it, you will leave it there like that. Then you finish tying everything. You see it? Here is the outcome of our agidi. You see, I place it on the floor so that it can cold. Because if you place it on the train, it will have heat. It can spoil quickly. So it's going like this without no fridge. It's going to take, as from the 4th day, it will get spoiled. But 1 day to 3 days, very perfect. This is the outcome.